Okay, what up? We got man gets life in prison after attacking cops on Facebook Live. Let's check this one out.
Stop resisting! I got his hand.
Watch his face, he was biting the f*** out of us.
Okay. What the f*** did he hit me?
Did you know that they were cops?
I don't care.
You don't care? You don't care that they're cops, or you don't care to talk?
I don't care if they're cops, I don't care to talk.
On September 25th, 2021, officers from the Orlando Police Department were speaking with a known individual when one of them was suddenly attacked by a man and taken to the ground. Within moments, chaos erupted as the officers tried to subdue the distressed man.
I got his legs. Get your legs out. Get your legs out. Oh, police, stop resisting! Stop resisting! I got his hand. I got his hand. I got his hand. I got his legs. Come on, like.
That's a cop on the feet.
All right. Hey, I got his hands. I got his legs. I got his hands. We're gonna go behind the back. You're good. All right. I still got this wrist. I got this hands clear, Mike. Mike, this hand's clear. Start working it. Start working the hand. Start working the hand. It's clear. The hand's coming out.
Watch his face, he was biting the f*** out of us.
The man seen here was later identified as 29-year-old William McClish. William approached the officers with a brick in hand, injuring them while live streaming on Facebook. But within minutes, he was on the ground, learning who was truly in charge while showing everyone he wasn't as tough as he thought.
All right, we're gonna put him in the car.
10-20 cancel the 44.
Okay. I got it. All right, we're good.
Attacking them with a brick?
Double locking. Oh, we got him here.
What does he think? What do you think's gonna happen, dude?
Check.
He's lucky he didn't get shot. He's lucky they didn't shoot him.
How's my eye look? He was gouging the f*** out of my eyes.
Hey, go. Mike, we're good. Mike, we're good. We're good, Mike. Okay. Mike, we're good. We got him. Yeah, we got him. Are you okay? Hurt, go. We're good.
I was just sitting there talking to my nephew, Michael, and this guy came out of nowhere and co-copped his partner. Out of nowhere. And just out of nowhere. It was just like,
I just need you to stand by. Oh, I'm good with me. What the fuck did he hit me?
You good? Right here.
Thank you, brother. Are you okay?
Hey, what's your name, man? Can you tell me your name?
McClish.
McCush?
McClish.
Okay, look, we want to roll you on your side, but if you start kicking, we got to put you right back in your stomach. Are you going to relax or are you going to kick me?
I'm not going to kick.
Okay. I'm going to let up on you. All right, man, we're going to flip you over. Don't start kicking us or you're going to go right back to where you are. Relax, man, relax. It's okay. Do we have one over here?
Yeah, it's on. I thought I saw someone.
No, it's the phone.
It's his pants.
Put your feet under you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. I'll walk you over to the car. Stay calm for it.
I'll worry about the We'll be with you in a second. It is front orange.
Minutes later, one of the officers approached a witness to understand what had happened that night, as he was the man present with the officers at the moment of the attack.
I'm the supervisor handling the use of force and all that stuff.
Yes.
If you don't mind, just run me through what happened, what you saw.
Okay.
If you could, please. Thank
Sure. I was,
And first of all, what was your name, sir?
I'm Bobby Butler.
Bobby Butler.
Robert Butler.
I'm Sergeant Scott. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
So, I'm retired, Winter Garden PD.
Cool. Very nice. Thank you for your service.
Michael Zambito is my nephew from my first marriage.
Oh, nice.
So, I'm just walking home, and I see him.
Okay.
So we're sitting there talking,
Okay.
mind our own business, you know, just talking about family, whatever. And his partner just come up by the side view mirror of the car.
Sure.
And he introduced me, and we're just like, you know, just talking.
Yep.
At the clear blue sky, this black male comes up and co-calls his partner.
So I'm gonna stop right there real quick. I have one question is, did you clearly see his hand hit him, or was there an object in his hand?
Oh, no.
Did you not know?
No, I don't know if there was an object in his hand.
Okay.
He just hit him on the side of the head, and they go down on the sidewalk. Okay? As they go down on the sidewalk, Michael takes action and is trying to subdue this individual. And the two of them were struggling to get his hands to cuff him. And I reached down and I said, Michael, what do you want me to do? Because I don't want to take action if I don't need to. He says, okay. So I reached down because the guy was swinging his legs and kicking.
In a manner to try to continue to hit
Yes, to get away.
Cool.
And so I reached down and I grabbed his legs.
What the man said matched everything later seen on the live stream. William had mercilessly attacked both officers, leaving one of them severely injured. If the officers hadn't reacted in time, the outcome of that night could have been far worse.
And the partner...
You know, I understand this old man is retired police, but God bless him, man. And God bless him for getting involved in helping subdue this guy.
Said, hey, you have my leg too. I said, okay. Release his leg. I'm holding the suspect's legs. While they take him in custody. All right?
Yes, sir.
And I'm, just so you know, I'm retired, 30 years with the Garden PD. So, like, I'm just like, okay, what do you want me to do? Because I know today's climate and everything. I just want to make sure that I do the right thing.
So, when you saw the suspect's actions, right, or the individual's actions,
You need them anymore?
these two guys? No, I got their whole stories.
We'll go.
After the initial hit, and Officer Zambito was still dealing with him, would you say that his actions were still aggressive, like he was attempting to hurt the officers continuous?
Well, he was when they went down to the ground and they were attempting to secure him, he was resisting, trying to, you know, he wasn't.
Kick?
Yes, he wasn't following their instructions, you know, and stuff. So it just got chaotic there for a moment.
Okay, cool.
You know what I mean? But the officers were just trying to cuff him. And he was resisting.
Yep, I appreciate that. And sir, I do appreciate you helping out. That is a huge help, I'm sure.
Well, I don't know what I did, but...
It doesn't matter, you helped him out.
After taking William to the patrol car, one of the officers tried to speak with him and get any information out of him, but he wasn't willing to talk to law enforcement.
What's going on, man? What's your name, sir? Do you have a name?
Take me to jail.
I'm sorry?
Take me to jail. Charge me what you want to charge me with.
Okay, well, listen, I have nothing to do with that. I'm the sergeant and I'm handling the use of force investigation, okay? Do you want to talk to me about the incident?
No.
Okay.
Take me to jail.
What's up?
Take me to jail, bro.
You have nothing to say about the incident to me about it? With the use of force and what the officers had to do to restrain you? Okay. Did you know that they were cops?
I don't care.
You don't care?
No, not anymore.
I'm sorry?
I don't care.
You don't care that they're cops, or you don't care to talk?
I don't care if they're cops, or I don't care to talk. I did what I was supposed to do.
Okay.
I don't have no answers to what the fuck is going on in my life. So, I'm gonna go hide myself.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna go hide myself.
Gonna go hide yourself? Do you have an ID or anything? What's your name, sir?
Still 30 Crime Center.
Just take me to jail, man.
What's your name?
Take me to jail.
So this guy just wanted to go back to jail. Obviously, he's probably an ex-con and he wanted to go back to jail, get back in the system because he's got nothing else going on for himself. Much better ways to do it, dude. You don't have to go picking a fight with a cop by hitting him with a brick. Holy cow.
Okay.
William refused to give any information, likely realizing how foolish his actions had been. But at that point, there was nothing he could do but accept his new fate.
All right, sir. Go ahead and step out. I'll transfer you to another vehicle.
I got right side.
That's this vehicle here on the other side.
Hey, do you need medical attention at all?
No, I didn't know what you wanted me to do. I'm just like...
Just take you to jail? Alright. Sounds good. You don't want the medical attention at all? Alright.
Nothing in the vehicle right now except for my bike rack. If anything falls out of it when you come back out, it belongs to you. Sit down.
Alright, slide yourself back inside. So watch the leg, slide inside.
William was transported to jail, where his behavior remained unchanged.
Sir, due to the exposure of your blood and our officer's blood, we're going to ask you for consent of your blood sample. Will you consent to that? So that we can know if they're exposed to any kind of diseases. Yes or no?
Take me to jail, bro.
You're at jail, but I need to know if you're going to consent to us taking a blood sample from you so that we can know if we have any diseases to worry about. No?
Take me to jail.
Okay, answer my question though, yes or no? You're at jail. Okay, take that as an...
I'm alright, sir.
You're not going to give us a sample of your...
I already got it.
You what?
You already got it, sir.
We don't got it, but... Put your feet in.
In the end, William was convicted of attempted and aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer.
Okay, man, holy cow. Obviously this guy wanted to go to prison for whatever reason. Now, I know a lot of like normal people like you watching and me talking, we think, "Oh my God, why would somebody choose to go to prison? Why would somebody decide like they just want to go back to prison?" But when you are like when you've only know the system, when you've been in prison most of your adult life, and that's all you know, you don't know how to function in the real world. So you go to prison as punishment, and while in prison, you have the opportunity to rehabilitate yourself to become a member of society when you get out. A lot of people don't acclimate themselves and become members of society when they get out, and all they know is the system. They're in and they're out. So I think probably what happened here was this guy William, he was part of the system and he was out and he realized he can't function outside and he wanted to go back to prison. William, man, there was easier ways to do it. First of all, I think you need to get help. Listen, if you're watching this and you feel this way the way William does, get help. Stay out of prison. Don't go back. But if you want to go back to prison, if I can give you some advice, don't hit a police officer. Don't hit a police officer. Do something not violent. Go. It's a heartbreaking case, really. Like I feel bad for William. Feel bad, man. I'm not saying the system failed him, but man, he can't get out of it. It's recidivism. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.